Dear friends, myself Vijay Kumar, a homeopathic physician since last 46 years. I was receiving few queries from some of our patients. Today I am trying to answer these queries. Please listen. How you became interested in homeopathy? My father was a renowned homeopath, and in my free time, I took interest, which gradually grew from 1974. I have myself been cured on so many occasions by homeopathy. What is homeopathy? Homeopathy is a natural way of treatment where antibodies are formed in the body to cure the disease. Dutch homeopathy cures disease such as blood pressure, sugar, heart ailments, skin diseases, thyroid, enlarged prostate, etc. Yes, homeopathy cures every disease based on its symptoms. It varies from man to man for the same disease. In fact, there are so many medicines for one disease, and one medicine can be used in so many diseases. How long you are practicing homeopathy? I am practicing homeopathy since 1974, but not actively because I had an alternative career. But since my retirement in 2018, I am doing it actively. Can you tell us some difficult cases cured by you? Yes, I have cured so many difficult cases so far. The first one was that of jaundice in 1994, when the patient was having the bilirubin level of 6.5, and he had no belief in homeopathy. So initially, on being prescribed the medicine, he did not take it. Later on, his bilirubin level rose to 16, and as per medical books, if the level goes beyond 15, the patient goes in coma. Then he took the homeopathic medicines prescribed earlier, and he was cured within a month, and bilirubin level came to normal below 1. Another case is that in 1985 of sciatica, the female patient was bedridden for last 2 months having electric shock, and she was cured by homeopathic medicine within a reasonable time of only 36 hours, and she started to move on her own. Another case is that of enlarged prostate. The patient was admitted in a hospital and having severe pain. He was cured within a reasonable time of 1 month. Another case is that of GERD in 2019. The patient was taking PAN 40 for last 3 to 4 years. He has been cured within a reasonable time of 3 months. Another case is that of epilepsy in 2019. The patient was under the treatment of various doctors for last 4 years in different system of medicine. He has been cured within a reasonable time of 6 months. Another case was that of a patient from Ranchi. His SGOT level was very high and was being treated by different doctors since last 6 months. He has been cured within a reasonable time of 1 month. Another case is that was of high BP in 2019 since 1 year. It has been cured within a reasonable time of 2 months. Another case is that of high sugar level for last 1 year. It has been cured within a reasonable time of 3 months. Another case is that of a high thyroid level of TSH9, which had been cured within a reasonable time of 2 months. Another case that was being treated at AIIMS Delhi for arthritis and other ailments for last 4 years has been cured within a reasonable time of 6 months. Another case was that of lipoma in 2020 that has been cured within a reasonable time of 4 months. Another case is that of skin disease over whole parts of the body at different locations that has been cured within a reasonable time of 1 month. There are so many other diseases cured by me. How homeopathy works? The medicines which have the maximum symptoms that of the patient cures him. What is the principle of homeopathy? The principle is similia similibus curantur. The medicine which has the same symptoms that of the patient cures him. How homeopathy was invented? Samuel Hahnemann was a leading physician, and the fever of his son could not be cured by his medicine. He gave him cinchona, and this led to the foundation of homeopathy. Is there any aggravation of homeopathic medicine? No, there is no aggravation at all. Only in very few cases, that too treated with suppressive medicines in skin diseases, there may be a very mild aggravation for a day and two, and it also comes down within a day or two. What are the side effects of homeopathy? Actually, there are no side effects of homeopathy at all. What types of medicines are there in homeopathy? There are mostly 5 types: dilution, mother tincture, biochemic, patent, and for external applications. How many medicines are there in homeopathy? There are more than 3,500 medicines in homeopathy. Can anyone take this medicine for any disease? Yes, the people of all age group can take this medicine. How much time does it take to cure a disease? In case of acute diseases, it is cured in a very short time, 3 to 4 days, and in chronic cases, it varies from 3 months to 9 months. Should homeopathy medicine be continued for lifelong? No, it is not to be continued for lifelong, but for few months only. Thereafter, the patient is not required to take any medicine.